guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ego and this is Love Ego. So in today's video, I'm doing a DIY on 3 last minute makeup looks for Halloween. I chose these 3 because I felt like if you have like regular amounts of makeup, then you don't necessarily have to go out to get anything new. There's really no need for like extra costume. Well, I should buttress this by saying first that I am not like a makeup guru or a makeup expert. So a lot of these things I kind of just like worked with what I had at home. I say that to say this. If you're an amateur like me, you can make this work. Enjoy. So I am starting with my brows done, and I've gone ahead and I've used concealer as my eyeshadow primer because we're going to be starting out with the eyes. On the eyes, we're going to be doing a dark smoky eyed look. And I'm going to show you a very simple trick to getting that done because it's supposed to be beginner friendly. So I'm starting by taking my blending brush and running all over my crease with a transition color. You want to start out with a transition color, something that is a little close to your skin tone. Next, I'm using a black eye pencil. You can use any drugstore eye pencil or eyeliner that you want. Mine is from Pixie by Petra. And I'm just going to generously apply that into my waterline and into my top lash line. So my favorite thing about this is that it's not perfect or neat. It doesn't have to be neat because we're going to be smudging it in just a bit. Next I'm taking a flat, fluffy brush that is dipped in black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to start smudging the eye pencil that I just used. So starting from the outer corner of your eye, just keep smudging it all the way in. And like I said, you're not focused on making it too neat, so just smudge. I mean, you don't want it to be everywhere, but still, like, it takes all the pressure off. After a while, you notice that it'll start getting smoky. Next, I'm taking a dark brown eyeshadow with my shader brush, and I'm just going to apply that right on top of the black and spread that right into your crease area. And the last step is to use the blending brush that you started with, the one you use in applying the transition color, and just use all of that to blend everything that you've applied right into your face. And that is it for the eyes. Now I am moving on to the face. So for the face, we're not going to be doing anything extraordinary. You're going to go in with the regular. You're going to start out by priming your face, and then I'm going in with my foundation. Right, and just blend all of that out. After foundation, I'm going to highlight and contour the top of my nose, my under eye area, and my forehead. For contouring, especially on the nose part, for this look, I am going in to like my inner eye area with the contour color. I'm being a little generous with that because the Wednesday look has this, like, she has really darkened eyes. So I'm applying some more contour shade there than I normally would. And then you just want to blend all of that together. For the Wednesday Addams look specifically, to really darken the face, I am using the same dark eyeshadow that I used on my face, on my eyes. I'm using the same eyeshadow, black eyeshadow that I use on my eyes. I'm going to add a little bit of that to my cheekbones, and I'm going to blend that in to really get the effect that I want. And that's basically it for the face for the most part. You can choose to pop on some lashes, but I didn't really want to do that. I just wanted to keep things simple. I'm applying a little mascara, and now I'm just going to wear the outfit. So for the Wednesday look, if you've seen the Addams family, then you know that like her staple is an undershirt and a black dress, a black short dress with the pigtails. You can't forget the pigtails. Those are like the signature. So I'm all dressed up. My hair is ready. I'm just going to apply some dark lipstick to complete the face. And then you add the pigtails and the look is done. That is basically it. All right, let's move on to look number two. So look number two is the Wildcat, because why be a cat if you can be a wildcat? My favorite thing about this look is that we're going to be working with the exact same face from the previous look. You're not even going to like do anything else. We're just going to be drawing the features on. So to do that, I'm taking a dark charcoal pencil and I'm using that to draw the look, starting with the nose. I'm going to draw a cute button nose. So just mark that in from your nose all the way up to your eye area. Next, I'm going to move on to the markings or the stripes or whatever they are, because, wildcats. And after drawing all that in, I'm just taking my black pencil and I'm shading the colors in. For the nose area, I'm taking my smudge brush, the one I used for my eyes, and I'm just using that to smudge all of that into my eye area. And then here comes my favorite part, which is the whiskers. Now I'm just applying a little setting powder under the contour line and adding some color, some blush to my cheeks, because that Wednesday had no color whatsoever. That wasn't even the focus. And after you've done that, the look is complete. That is it. It's so simple. I love it. Okay, look number 3, the very last one. So I've washed my face. This is actually later during the day when I recorded this. So I washed my face. I'm starting out with my brows done and my eyelids have been set. This time I applied eyeshadow primer. I've primed my eyeshadows because we're again going to be starting with the eyes. I'm starting with a full base of eyeshadow in a red shade. It's actually more like deep orange than red, but I had just had to make what I have work for me. And then I'm taking my full color eyeshadow brush with some brown eyeshadow and I'm working that into my crease area. After doing that to both eyes, I'm going to separate those two upper colors from my eyelids using my concealer. So I'm cutting the crease. Sets, and then I'm going to set that with my setting powder. Then take out a blending brush and kind of blend all of that together. So you already know how all of this goes: foundation, concealer, highlight, contour. No, let's, like, you already know what happens here. Let's just fast forward through all of this. So this isn't really a scary Pennywise. This is glam Pennywise, okay? Only glamorous clowns are allowed in this party. All right, so now that the face is done, I'm starting with the eyes and I'm going to do a little bit of liner and then I'll start drawing on the clown lines. For the upper part of my face, I'm starting from the crease that I cut and I'm drawing the lines in triangular shapes all the way up to my eyebrows. And then for the bottom part of my face, I'm gonna take a dark, my black lip pencil to darken the top of my lips and to draw the lines over my face going up towards the eyes. Again, like, don't worry if it's not perfect. I wasn't really focused on making the lines perfect. My face isn't symmetrical. My hands don't even know how to draw symmetrical lines either. So I was kind of just hoping they at least looked slightly familiar. So you don't have to focus too much on making them look perfect. I wasn't too focused on that. Just draw the lines. And after drawing the lines, I'm going to take the same like red shaded eyeshadow color, and I'm going to use that to smudge the lines that I've drawn. But then after doing that, it kind of overshadowed the dark lines, so I had to go back in with my really dark pencil to draw them in and make them look just as like disorganized as I intended to begin with. And then you just want to do a little itty bitty clown nose. And for the lips, I'm doing ombre. And for the lips, I'm doing an ombre lip look with red in the middle and black around the lines. So I'm just going to blend all of that in with my black pencil. And the look is complete. So this is how the three looks came out. Like I said at the beginning, they are amateur friendly because I am not a makeup expert. But I hope like you at least find this helpful and have fun with it. I definitely had fun with it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.